is that your part? You still do it?
No, you do it.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to our amazing show. Now we are singing a song from Auntie Kristen's wedding called Rock Me Mama, Like a Wagon Wheel.
Okay.
Rock me
Mama like a wagon wheel.
Rock
me, mama, any way you feel.
Hey, mama,
rock me.
Rock me,
Mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, rock me, mommy.
Go. Go.
So let's
Go. 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 Hey, mommy.
go, babe.
Why made this belongs to you?
Because we have to babysit. We have to doggy sit her.
Why?
Because she went away.